Hello.
Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be glamming one of my babies for life. Yeah, it's been 8 years plus, and we're back.
No, 10.
Amazing.
Yeah,
You see,
it's been 10 years.
she was my day one model, like one of those models.
So let's see what we're getting done today. Stay tuned.
We all deal with texture from time to time, whether it's due to acne, scars, large pores, or just uneven skin. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get that smooth, flawless finish while keeping your makeup looking fresh. If you're ready to learn my tips and tricks, let's jump right into it. Skin prep is key. Always start with a clean and moisturized face. Starting with my Ghanaian cleansing water. You guys know that I'm obsessed with this baby right here. Yeah, so I'm starting with my Ghanaian cleansing water to clean first, because working with a clean canvas is essential. You cannot skip this part. You need to make sure that you clean very well. And when you are cleansing your client's face, please be gentle on the skin. Don't be too hard on the skin. Be gentle on the skin so that you don't irritate the person's skin, which I'm doing right now. After this, I'm just going to follow it up with my toner, my Zaron Ultimate Glow Brightening Toner. This toner is my all-time favorite. You know, when I like something, I always use it. It gives you that natural glow from within, which I love so much. If you use it constantly, you see that your skin will be so flawless. And I use it almost all the time. My favorite. After toner, my serum, moisturizer. The first skin needs to be very, very clean. I mean, clean.
I don't know what went wrong with this. I don't know.
You did something. Probably you were using a skincare product you ought not have been using.
Not really. I mean,
was it when you went for your service? Maybe it could be that when you went for
the whole
service.
Started while I went for NYSC. Yeah, that's where the whole problem came from. I know the NYC thing. The camping for 3 weeks is the whole stress, suntan and everything. So yeah.
Textured skin needs hydration, so make sure you are using a lightweight hydrating moisturizer. I'm using the COSRS serum and moisturizer to help plump the skin and smooth out any rough patches. Then open a bit. Just using the serum. Do you see how glowing our skin?
Call me Gloria.
Let's call her Gloria, because our skin is glowing. Glowing. Make sure this is the best part ever. Skin prep. I do not joke with it.
Yeah, and I got something to tell you. For those of you with acne prone skin like me, I just want to let you know that this is not the end of the world. Skincare is a journey. Whatever you're using, if it's working for you, stick to it. It's a process. You'll heal. Ha! Motivational speaker, don't drop quotes.
Hydrated skin creates the perfect base for our makeup and helps reduce the appearance of texture. So you want to take your time to apply that generously, and don't forget to massage it into the skin. Apply a generous amount of lip balm to keep our lip moist. Next, I'm going in with a primer. Primers are super important when working on textured skin because they help blur pores and create an even canvas for your foundation. I'm focusing this on the areas where she have the most texture, usually the T-zone, cheeks, and chin. Press the primer into the skin rather than rubbing it. This technique helps fill in pores and create a smooth surface. For texture or blemishes that needs extra coverage, I'm going with a concealer that has a good coverage but isn't too dark. You don't want to cake up the product on textured skin. Using one of my favorite things, the Morphe lip stick in Spicy. It's an orange lipstick. So if you don't have a corrector, you can use a lipstick, and I'll be using that with my MAC concealer in NW50. So just basically mix that with just a little bit of that and mix that. Tap the concealer onto the areas that needs extra coverage and blend it out with a brush or beauty sponge. The key is to blend everything out until you are certain you have a full coverage, but don't be too heavy handed. Just make sure that you're not putting too much layers to avoid cakey looking face, right? Now for foundation, when working on textured skin, I recommend using a medium to full coverage foundation that has a natural or satin finish. You don't want anything too matte because it can accentuate texture, and anything too dewy can sometimes emphasize imperfections. I'm using the Black Opal Pore Perfecting Powder Foundation. This gives the right amount of coverage while keeping the skin looking fresh. Use a damp beauty sponge to blend the foundation. Press the product into the skin instead of sweeping to prevent disturbing texture and give a smooth, even finish. So the left product on here, I'm just gonna open small. Diffuse the line a little bit. So I'm going to contour using black walnut bunny. I don't know, I'm just gonna try it and see. When working with textured skin, it's best to go for cream or liquid blush and highlights. I'm starting with the cream contour. Powder products can sometimes sit on top of texture, making it more noticeable. So I'm going with a cream contour. Now I'm applying the blush with light hand using tapping motion to blend it seamlessly into the foundation. You cannot get tired of blending. You can see how everything is melting into the skin. That's because I'm taking my time to blend everything in. Blend, blend, blend until you're sure everything is seamless. When concealing the under eyes for textured skin, it's important to focus on hydration, light layers, and proper blending to avoid emphasizing fine lines or uneven texture. So you want to make sure that the under eyes is hydrated. Apply a light layer of concealer and blend very well. And finally, set with a lightweight powder. For highlights, stick to something soft and luminous. I'm applying a liquid highlighter to the eye points of the face for a subtle, radiant glow. If you want to see how I created this eye makeup, then leave a comment below with the word "I want to." I'm going to post a tutorial of how I created this eye makeup so you guys can see it. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I know. To finish it all off, a setting spray is essential. It helps melt the makeup into the skin and give a more natural skin-like finish, especially for textured areas. And there you have it, the final look. Smooth, flawless, and texture skin friendly. As you can see, with the right product and techniques, you can achieve a flawless, even makeup without emphasizing textures. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty content like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.